The Beauty and the Beast. Once upon a time, in a small village, lived a kind and beautiful young woman named Belle. She was known for her love of reading and her compassionate nature. Belle's father, an inventor, found himself in financial trouble and stumbled upon a mysterious and enchanted castle while traveling through the woods. In the castle, he discovered luxurious surroundings but encountered no one. Seeing a rose garden, Belle's father decided to pluck a single rose for his daughter. This seemingly innocent act angered the Beast, the master of the castle. The Beast, once a handsome prince, had been cursed by an enchantress for his selfish and arrogant behavior. The curse could only be broken if the Beast learned to love and be loved in return before the last petal of a magical rose fell. To save her father, Belle willingly took his place as the Beast's prisoner. Initially terrified, Belle discovered that the Beast was not as cruel as he appeared. Over time, they formed a deep connection as Belle got to know the kind and gentle soul hidden beneath the Beast's exterior. Meanwhile, in the village, a handsome and arrogant hunter named Gaston sought to marry Belle for her beauty, despite her disinterest. Learning of the Beast's existence, Gaston stirred up fear and rallied the villagers to storm the castle. As the enchanted rose's petals neared their end, Belle realized her love for the Beast. Just in time, she confessed her feelings, breaking the curse and transforming the Beast back into a handsome prince. The castle and its inhabitants were also restored to their former glory. Beauty and the Beast is a tale of love, inner beauty, and the transformative power of compassion.